Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we'll learn how to enable voice in character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, create the character you want. Here you can see character. Here you can enter your name. Then over here you can see the option of voice. Here you can discover what type of voice you want. This is the system selection. Tap on this, tap on select, then you can tap on create. Here you can see public or unlisted or private. Tap on create, then after like this your character has been created. Now you can now the voice has also been enabled. So like this you can see, tap on play, then after
Hello, how are you today?
like this.